everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a high ponytail with puff. So let's get started into the video. So in this hairstyle I used this serum. This is the Matrix Optic Care Smooth Straighten Serum. So take 2 drops of that serum and apply on your length of the hair. Don't apply scalp of any serums or conditions. Okay, now take a comb and comb thoroughly your hair that there are no tangles. Okay, now take the V section of your hair like so, from front to crown area. Now twist the part and push that part front side like so to get the perfect puff. Now secure that the puff with the help of the tic tac pin. Cross each other tic tac pins that there are no loose at all in a whole day. Now the puff hairstyle was ready. If you want to leave this hairstyle like this, now comb remaining hair like so and grab that hair into one hand like ponytail. Secure that the ponytail with an elastic like so into very high ponytail. So now I want to add my extra volume on my ponytail. So grab that small butterfly clip like this. This is the hack for to get the extra volume on your ponytail. Divide your ponytail into 2 halves and fix the butterfly clip on middle of the 2 parts and cover up the butterfly clip with top section like so. It gives nice bouncy look and thinner look of voluminized ponytail. So I hope you are all like this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care. Thank you for watching this video.